Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Bluetooth audio stuttering issue in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the battery of the speakers, the Bluetooth speakers, and change them if possible. And if it uses external power for charging, then you can charge it to its maximum. And obviously, don't use software products like VLC and Volume Master to overshoot the volume. You must be knowing that with VLC, you can push the volume over 100%. Make sure that you do not overshoot the volume. This will solve the problem in 90% of the cases because overshooting the volume and the battery of the speakers is the root cause. The next one is to update the Bluetooth drivers, not the speaker drivers, but the Bluetooth ones. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then expand the list for Bluetooth. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter, select update drivers and search automatically for driver. The last solution is to reconnect the Bluetooth speakers. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on add device, select Bluetooth and then let it appear, and then we will try to connect it. We have just connected to the speaker, as you must have heard. So just try reconnecting to it and it may work this time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.